Hi. Your F&O order may get rejected due to several reasons. Number 1, insufficient margin. Your order may get rejected if you don't have enough margin. We request you to check the required margin shown on the order card before placing the order. This is how you can calculate your margin. For buying options, the margin required is equal to premium amount plus any other delivery margin charged before physical settlement. For shorting options and for futures, the margin required is equal to span plus exposure plus delivery margin charged during physical settlement plus any additional margin charged by the exchange or Groww. Number 2, price limit. If the price of your contract goes beyond the fixed price limit, your order may get rejected. Hence, we request you to check that the price is not outside the price range. Number 3, high risk contract. Some contracts may be blocked due to a high risk and hence in such cases your order will get rejected. But if you feel that these reasons of rejection do not apply to you, you can reach out to our customer support team for further assistance. Bye.